And we're back. Now, I'm going to I'm gonna add 2 more melodies, all right? I need a chime or something and some type of synth, maybe a lead. But for right now, damn, that's cool. Yeah, I'm looking for some bells, like some chimes, something that I don't have to add a lot of stuff to, because I got this ding dang. It's kind of stuck in my head, so just give me a minute. I'll find it. There. Yeah, okay. All right. All right, yeah. 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 All right, yeah. I'm gonna lay that down real quick so I can get to this other one, try to be quick. No, hell no. Here, let me try that again. I ain't got time to be clicking with this mouse, so just move this one over and just write it again real quick. I ain't got time for all that. There it is. Hell yeah. I mean, I like it. Shit is extra smooth. All right, let me knock this up real quick. Let me get this right. Just gonna do some last minute adjustment. I'm trying to get that chime to not be too overbearing, but to make sure I can at least still hear it. Get it out of the way. I don't want to have any masking. Let me do something with that lead. There it is, okay. Bring them down a little bit. Yeah, I think this is about it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop here. This is a good time. Yep, go on to the next tutorial.